Hey, what's up, you guys? Adrian Williams here, back with another banger. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to sell digital products online. If you guys are looking for a way to earn an extra income online, generating $300 instant payments, the link is directly below this video. Feel free to check it out. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you all some really valuable information. Be sure to stick around to the very end of this video because the information that I'm going to share with you last is the most important information of all of it, of what I'm telling you. But before I dive into it, let me share with you all a little quote that I found. And if you guys hear my dog barking out in the backyard, that's just her telling you to pay attention to the video because there's some very powerful information in it. So, let's just pay her no mind and let's get into the content. So the quote says, selling impacts every area of your life. Your ability to sell, persuade, negotiate, and convince others will determine how well you do in life. And that holds to be true. I remember when I used to go door to door selling Kirby's. I worked at a job when I was going door to door selling Kirby's. In my first 2 weeks, you guys, I didn't generate not one sale. And that's because I knew nothing about selling. You guys. I got teased. We would get up early in the morning and we would literally drive hours to go knock doors. And sometimes the trips we would take would be about 2 hours. So imagine working 7 days a week only to make $250 because you were on a time pay schedule instead of getting paid for your amount of commissions. Now imagine not making any commissions, going out spending all of that time, 7 days a week just to earn a measly $250. Well, I knew right then that I had to learn something, and I knew right then I had to learn it fast. So, I got on the van on the way home. It was pondering my mind, and I was just searching for information because one of the books that they gave us was Sales Clinchers. And it would tell us, about how to sell the machine, the type of questions that you would ask to lead up to the sale. And I didn't understand it at first. So, I read through the Sales Clinchers, memorized it, and still didn't have any results that first week. But anyway, I got on the van going home. I was down on myself and I saw a book about how to be the master closer. And I think the book was by Donald Trump or a guy named Donald, and his name was similar to Trump. But I still cannot find this book to this day because it was so much time ago. But it was a very powerful book. I sat in the house 3 days. I didn't go to work for 3 days and I read that book. And when I came back to work to sell those Kirby vacuum cleaners, I was so confident and I was so good at selling those Kirby's that I was exceeding the people who had been there for months and that was still on the program, and they could not figure out how I would do it. Every day they would have to get up and clap for me and cheer me on when I stand up and I tell them guys how I would actually sell the process. And they teased me, so I really didn't share too much of my information, but it was very powerful information. Well, anyway, that changed my life. It changed the trajectory of my life because I knew the power of being able to sell. I knew the power of being able to sell yourself. I knew the power of being confident. So anyway, that is why I feel like that quote is so powerful. So let's talk about how to sell digital products online. Okay. And again, the very powerful information I'm going to share with you is going to be to the last. So be sure to stick around to this very video to the end and, and soak up all this information that I'm going to share with you. And again, if you're looking for a way to earn an extra $300 instant payments on a daily basis online, then click the link below this video. Anyway, so the first thing that you would need, and you don't necessarily need it, but if you're going to treat digital marketing and selling products online like a business, then you're going to need these tools. If you're going to treat it like a hobby, make a few dollars here and there, nothing really serious, test the waters, then you don't need none of the things that I'm telling you but the number 4. That's what you're going to need lastly. But like I said, if you already had some success in this industry and you've already gotten your feet wet and you're really ready to take it seriously, then the first three are what you're going to need. The first thing is a sales funnel. If you're not familiar with a sales funnel, then check out the rest of my videos. I'm pretty sure that I have some videos about sales funnels, or you can just Google or quick YouTube search about sales funnels, and you will have a clear understanding of what a sales funnel is. And they're really not hard to create. You know, the modern day sales funnel builders are drag and drop. You can just type in what you want. You can drag your buttons, you can drag your videos, and it's simple. And it's a lot of sales funnel builders online for free. So you can really get started with that, you know, without even having to come out of pocket. So number two is very important, and it's traffic. A lot of people are struggling with traffic. And the reason why a lot of people are struggling with traffic is because you know, they get online and they just sell. I know because I've been there. You know, I was constantly posting my link. I was constantly posting about my business, and it did not work. People slowly started to stop engaging with me because I was selling so much. So I had to learn another way. And how you do that is you give valuable information. You give content. You know, you read books and you share the information, you know, that you read with an audience, people who haven't purchased the information, or people who haven't researched what you're learning. And you can do this as you go. So this is not something that you have to study and go all the way through to start selling. You know, this is just one of the steps that you can start implementing along your journey, because when you're selling digital products online, it is a earn as you learn business. The more you learn, the more you earn. But you definitely can hit the ground running with just the information that I'm sharing with you right now. You know, so again, traffic is very important. If you don't, as traffic is like a store. If you don't have people, you know, going in and checking out your store, see what products and stuff you have to offer, then you're never going to get any customers. So you got to look at traffic as if people just walking inside your store, checking out your products, picking one up, putting it down. And, you know, you might get a few people that actually go inside and buy products. And that's how, you know, you should visualize traffic and see traffic when someone says you need traffic. But again, traffic is not just spamming your links. You know, you have to make it attractive. You have to be attractive and attract the right people to you. You don't want to just go down and prospect your family. You don't want to just prospect your friends. You want to really, you know, dive in and give and share valuable information of what you're learning to help others. So when they see you and they see, hey, you know what I'm saying? This person is learning a lot. This person is getting results from what they're learning. They just started and it's already working for them. That's attractive to people, and that's going to attract people to you. So, you know, and you basically use your social medias to generate traffic. We're all on social media all day, every day. We see how people are putting up videos, funny content, etc. All of that content is a form of traffic. So number 3, let's talk about the autoresponder. So the autoresponder is important as well, because your autoresponder is a way for you to follow up with your traffic that you have generated. When you get a person interested and they walk inside your store, the sales funnel allows you to capture that information. So you can be able to, you know, once they walk in your store, they put down their information saying, hey, you know, if you got any updated products or if you got any better products, then let me know, and I will, you know, I will come back in and check out your other products. So the autoresponder allows you to be able to follow up with those people, to be able to send them their information and say, hey, you know, we have different products in, or hey, just checking in on you to say hello, or hey, I'm just sharing this valuable information with you. This is something really, really cool that I learned, or hey, I just got a sale, you know, or I just generated X amount of dollars this month, and you can too, you know, so check out this information. That's what the autoresponder is for. It's for you to automatically follow up with those people. And you don't have to type out each individual email every day to send out to one person at a time. Autoresponder allows you to send out to the whole circle of people that you have inside of the contact information that you have inside of the system. So, and autoresponders are really not expensive as well. There's a lot of free autoresponders out there also that will help you get the job done. So, number four, most importantly, number four, knowing how to sell. A lot of people are uncomfortable with selling. I was uncomfortable with selling myself because, and I remember a few times where I would have a product or something for sale, and I would be so uncomfortable with selling that I would just undermine my product value and just basically give it away because I was so uncomfortable with selling. Well, basically, what selling is a transfer of feeling and emotions. You're basically demonstrating how this product or this service can impact your life in a positive way. That's basically what selling is. Selling is not concentrating on the business. Hey, join this online opportunity, make X amount of dollars. No, selling is basically, hey, this opportunity could give you freedom. This opportunity could give you an extra added income. It's the benefits, not the features. So when you understand that selling is a transfer of feelings and emotions, and understanding that you're selling features and you're selling benefits and not features, then your audience will be more receptive to want to obtain what you have. So again, you want to put that in your mind. So when you do start selling your products online, you understand how to attract people to you by giving value, showing your results, and and knowing and be appealing to the people. And also, when you know how to sell, when that person comes to you and say, hey, what is it that you're talking about? What do you have to offer? You can simply, help them along their journey by saying, hey, this could give you freedom. This could give you an extra added income. This could educate you and empower you throughout your life. See, those type of terms and that way of thinking and sharing the information impacts a person's life, and it makes them better. And anything that can enhance a person's life, people are always up for grabs on it. That's why people invest in beauty products and fitness products, because people always want a positive impact on their life. And if you can get that right there, then selling online and selling digital products is just a piece of cake. So with that being said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. And again, if you're looking for a way to earn an extra $300 on a consistent basis, you can even do it on a daily basis, no limit. There's no monthly fees. It's a one-time fee, and you're going to get coached and training from a six-figure earner who actually does this and teaches it to myself and other people. And if you want to learn these skill sets, again, click the link below this video and lock arms with me, and I'll catch you guys on the next. Take care.